proudly relying on French jets protecting their airspace with Russian missile systems and using Israeli drones while criticizing others for using foreign weapons. Now, does that even make sense? Should we start asking why India uses weapons from France, Russia, and Israel? But ironically, this is exactly the kind of argument some Indians are making. Then, to cover their embarrassment, they started claiming that India damaged Pakistan's air bases and saying the attack was precise and caused significant damage. But these statements seem more like face-saving tactics than facts backed by evidence, because Pakistan allowed international media to visit and observe the site, openly showing that how much damage occurred. And that is the courage it takes to face the consequences of conflict. In contrast, India tried to hide its own losses, avoiding transparency and raising questions about the credibility of their claims. Even they do not courage to accept their actual loss.